Whiteboard can be used only in the live class, while a notebook can be used once you receive any homework or any material your educator shared with you. Once your class is active, you can see the whiteboard and the notebook in the top right corner of your screen. You can show some illustrations or write on the whiteboard however you like. You can even explain some practical mathematical formulas on it. Whiteboard is just another name for a blackboard that can be used digitally. Even e-learners can draw or write something on their whiteboard and notebook. Add shapes to the whiteboard or notebook. You can select the color from the color tool to change the color of your shapes or lines. You can choose the size tool to make any tool small or big. Choose this text tool to add text to your whiteboard. Make them bold, italic, or strike through them. You can also change the page style. There are 3 options available at the moment. Change them according to your preference. Change fonts from here. Use the eraser for any mistakes done while drawing or writing with the eraser tool. You can undo and redo your previous deleted or added things on the whiteboard or notebook. Meeko, a place where you can learn, teach, play, explore.